Think about taking your iPhone out of your pocket and opening it like a book. After letting other companies play around with foldables for a while, Apple finally seems ready to join in, but in their own unique way. This is more than just a phone that folds up. In a way, it tries to replace both your iPhone and iPad at the same time. And if the stories are even slightly true, this could be the biggest change to the iPhone line in years. To begin, it doesn't look at all like an iPhone. It feels very different from phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold because when you open it up, it's bigger than it is tall. Apple wants something that opens like a real book instead of all those narrow looks. From the outside, the screen is shorter and bigger, making it feel almost like an iPhone. Once you open it, though, it changes into something that looks a lot like an iPad mini. Now comes the crazy part. Reports say that Apple is working hard to get rid of the crease totally. There is no middle line that can be seen. People have a lot of problems with folding phones right now. If they can do that, that would fix one of the main problems. It's also said to have an ultra-titanium frame and a very thin profile. When folded, it's also said to be thinner than you'd think for something that's basically two devices stacked on top of each other. Now let's talk about screens, as this is where things get really interesting. The screen looks like it's about 5.4 inches from the outside. So, think of the iPhone mini but wider. This should make typing and everyday use a lot more easy. Then you open it up and find something between 7.6 and 7.8 inches. The Ultra is only going to have 2 cameras on the back, not 3 like the Pro models. The main camera will have 48 megapixels, and the ultra-wide camera will also have 48 megapixels. Okay, so there is no telephoto lens. If you like zoom shots, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might still be a better pick. But since this has 2 screens, it also has 2 front cameras, one on the outside and one on the inside. But Apple could really make this shine with software. It's said that iOS 27 will add real multitasking, like being able to run 2 apps at the same time, as well as layouts that feel a lot more like iPads. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and a faster memory setup, this thing should really go, whether you're doing a lot of things at once, playing games, or just pushing that big screen.